Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you a somewhat known trick to use your superglue to the last drop without the nozzle getting dried up. All you need is a syringe kit. You'll be needing the needle part of the syringe kit, and the plastic syringe can be used for your other scratch build projects. You won't be needing the plastic cap of the glue anymore, so that can also be used for other projects. Snap off the tip and put the needle on there. At this point, if you don't have a snug fit, you can drop a bit of a glue where the needle meets the tip to hold it together. Every once in a while, the steel tip of the needle will be clogged or there will be glue gunk around it. You can easily clean it up with the help of a lighter. When you do this, just make sure you're not facing the needle yourself or not positioning the needle facing a flammable object, as occasionally the leftover glue stuck in the needle bursts out of the nozzle when lit up. In regards to type of CA glue, you need to use higher viscosity of glue if your needle is thin. As you can see, the one on the left moves like a gel, so it won't flow easily through the needles I demonstrated here. I hope this helps. See you in the next one.